Your remote, George.
Thank you. The last 2 years have completely changed the movie industry. Thanks to day-and-date movie premieres, we can now watch many of the same blockbuster movies that are in the big theaters from the comfort of our homes. But there's something missing. Oh yeah, epic sound. Well, I've got great news. Verizon now offers 2 gorgeous premium soundbars that will step up your home audio system, and both of them come loaded with Verizon Stream TV built in. What's more, the Stream TV soundbars were designed in collaboration with Bang Olufsen, one of the premier names in audiophile technology. In non-techie, that means these speakers will sound as good as they look. Let's check these bad boys out. Both the Stream TV Soundbar and Soundbar Pro are beautifully designed, so you won't want to hide them behind a cabinet when guests come over. They include multiple HDMI ports on the back so you can connect the soundbar to your other AV devices, including game consoles and Blu-ray players. Best of all, you don't need a receiver or additional speakers to clutter up your living room. Under the grill, the Stream TV Soundbar comes loaded with 5 Bang & Olufsen speakers and Dolby Atmos virtual surround sound. You also get 4K ultra-high definition video streaming to take full advantage of your fancy new 4K TV. Stream TV Soundbar Pro steps up to 9 speakers for an even grander home theater experience, has a modern minimalist silhouette, and adds a 3rd HDMI port for added connectivity. With Verizon Stream TV built directly into the soundbar, you can ditch the dongles and binge watch your favorite movies and shows with quick access to streaming services like Disney+, Netflix, HBO Max, Amazon Prime, and more. Powered by Android TV, Stream TV helps you find the best on-demand entertainment and discover new shows, movies, and apps. It even comes with this cool voice-powered remote with Google Assistant and a Find My Remote feature. The Stream TV Soundbar and Soundbar Pro are available at Verizon right now, starting at $399.99. For more information, visit Verizon.com.